Ontario is the coldest place on earth this weekend. So we're gonna do a polar plunge. Look at this. The real hero, Bradley, for making my hole. The ice hole. Okay, let's do this thing. What? I'm going back now. Just relax, it's fine. A little polar vortex is not gonna get me. We're cold, we're warm, we're gonna be warm again. It's all okay. Oh, I hope you guys are so proud of me, because I'm proud of me. It's actually pretty good. I wonder how cold the water is. My elbows are cold. Remember, the first 45 seconds are the worst. I need to make some bagels now. Okay, we're done. And now go warm up, guys. Yeah, and movement is the best. And movement is the best for warm.